Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get money from your Coinbase wallet. The primary method involves a few straightforward steps. First, you will transfer your digital assets from your self-custody Coinbase wallet to your centralized Coinbase exchange account. Next, you will sell that cryptocurrency for your preferred local currency, like US dollars or euros. Finally, you can withdraw those funds directly to your linked bank account, completing the process. To begin, open your Coinbase wallet application and navigate to the asset you wish to transfer. Select the Send option and input the desired amount. You will then need to paste the unique deposit address from your Coinbase exchange account for that exact cryptocurrency. Be sure to double-check the address to avoid any errors. Remember, network fees, also known as gas fees, apply for these transfers, especially for Ethereum-based tokens, so ensure you have enough of the native blockchain currency to cover them. Once your cryptocurrency arrives in your Coinbase exchange account, log in and head to the Trade or Sell section. Here, you will select the specific crypto asset you want to convert into traditional money. Choose your local fiat currency, such as US dollars, as the selling destination. Enter the amount you wish to sell, review the order, and confirm. The fiat equivalent will be credited to your Coinbase cash balance almost immediately, ready for the next step. For the final step, from your Coinbase exchange account, select the Withdraw Cash or Cash Out option. You will then choose your pre-linked bank account as the destination for your funds. Enter the exact amount you wish to withdraw. Review the transaction details, including any potential fees and the estimated arrival time, which is typically between 1 and 5 business days for standard transfers. Confirm the withdrawal, and your money will be on its way to your bank account.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.